Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if you see cellular update failed, so how you can also fix it. So now for fixing it, first thing, just check your cellular data. So just go to the settings, just open the settings. In the settings you need to find cellular data. So just open it. Just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to switch cellular data options. So just tap on it. Just choose voice and data and just try to switch from LTE to 3G and again to LTE. So also you can try to restore your phone. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode. Wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after you can try to restore your phone. So just go to the settings, general. In the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on the phone again. So just simply restore your phone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.